Your brain's been hijacked. You didn't even notice it happening. But now, you can't focus. You can't sit still. You can't even read one page without reaching for your phone. And it's not because you're lazy, it's a dopamine problem. Today, I'm going to show you what's silently wrecking your ability to focus and how to take your brain back before it ruins your future. Let's go. Part 1. Your brain is addicted. Let's be real. We're all dopamine junkies now. Scroll, tap, click, swipe, repeat. Every notification, a hit. Every meme, a mini high. And it rewires your brain. So when you sit down to focus on one boring thing like studying or working, your brain panics. It wants another hit. Focus isn't hard. Dopamine addiction makes it hard. Part 2. The myth of multitasking. You're not multitasking. You're context switching rapidly, and it's frying your brain. TikToks, Reels, Stories have trained your mind for micro-focus. So when you try to go deep on something meaningful, your attention span taps out. If you can't go 10 minutes without checking your phone, you've been hijacked. Part 3. The focus trap. Instant versus delayed rewards. Why is Netflix so easy and studying feels like drowning? Because one gives instant dopamine, the other makes you wait. Studying equals long-term reward. Scrolling equals right now dopamine. But here's the trick. You can rewire your brain to like delayed gratification again. But first, you need a detox. Part 4. Dopamine Detox. Want to know the cheat code? Dopamine Detox. No phone, no junk content, no TikTok brain rot. Just you, your goals, and silence. You're not giving up dopamine. You're resetting the baseline. So even basic things like reading, walking, deep work feel satisfying again. Part 5. Single task. Like a monk, forget multitasking. Lock in on one thing at a time. Set a 25-minute timer. Go tunnel vision. No checking, no switching, no side quests. This is how mental athletes train. Laser focus. Clean reps, quiet wins. Part 6. Create a focus ritual. Your brain loves patterns, so build one. Same time, same space, same cue. Lofi beats, no phone. Your brain starts going, oh, it's focus time. Let's lock in. Rituals turn discipline into default. Part 7. Cut the noise. Let's be honest. You're trying to concentrate in a mental thunderstorm. DMS, YouTube tabs, group chats, random background audio. Kill it all. Silence the chaos so your brain can breathe. Your focus isn't broken. It's buried under too much noise. Ending. Final word. Here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're overstimulated. But once you take your attention back, you become unstoppable. Most people, they stay distracted forever. But you detox. You rebuild. You master monk-like focus in a world of dopamine slaves. And when your future self is thriving while everyone else is still scrolling, just smile. You made the choice.